Hey there everybody, Jay Watala with WB Tool News, and today we got our hands on some brand new tools from Tajima. It's their new Varix lineup. In this video, we're going to show you what those tools are and how they might help you on your next job. So with that, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. First tool up is we've got the Varix Easy Cable Stripper. And as you can tell, this is unique right out of the box. Haven't seen a lot of stripping pliers like this guy. It's got a lock on here, keeping you nice and safe. Auto-adjusting jaws to get onto that large diameter cable that you're working with. It's going to even be suitable for mid-span stripping or blanching. And then the last thing I wanted to notate is that you can see the blades on here are replaceable, so you'll be able to have this tool for a long time to come. Next one up is the Varix non-stick scissors. As you can see, it comes with a sheath for added safety. It has a fluoro-coated blade. I sure hope I'm saying that right. If I'm saying it wrong, correct me in the comments. I'm sure you will. So it's got the specialty coating to be resistant to adhesive. So great for cutting tapes like electrical tape and then your standard small wires and stuff like that. A great little set of utility scissors that are going to save you from getting gunked up if you're cutting anything that's a sticky situation. All right, they've also added a chisel knife to the lineup. This is the Varix chisel knife. Comes with a sheath for it for added protection. This is a full tang blade, so you are able to hit the end of this with a hammer and you're going to be all good. It has a protector on there so you avoid that metal-to-metal contact. It's going to be awesome for punching holes in drywall for electrical boxes and cutting standard wire when you're out there on the job. So a great little tool here for you. And we've got the Varix folding knife. As you can see here, this is a great looking, robust blade here. It's got the hollow blade on it. On one side you have a 21 and on the other you have a 17 millimeter wrench. So if you need to make any adjustments on the fly when you're out there on the job, this is going to be something that will help you in the quick pinch. A spot for a lanyard, and the hole here makes it nice if you had a carabiner on the belt. You can attach that and have a nice little spot to store that. So it's a pretty sweet little knife here. Everyone likes a new knife. I'm excited to see what everyone thinks of this guy. All right, we've got the Varix Smooth Cut Snips here. These things feel fantastic in the hand. They have the single hand safety release there. Nice big jaw opening for when you're cutting through things. They're gonna make really smooth cuts. So after you cut through that conduit you're working with, it also has the deburring here on both ends. So you'll be able to deburr that conduit after you've cut it. Again, that spring action feels really smooth. I can see people really falling in love with these guys out there. They just feel like a nice smooth cut all the way through. Last but not least, we have the single ring shears from the Varix lineup. They have the single hand safety release, the spring loaded action, making it really easy to operate with one hand. And the big thing about these guys is that a lot of shears out there have a hard time staying sharp and lasting when cutting through the fiberglass insulation, the steel mesh that's out there. Roofing materials, where these are designed to stay sharp and last longer than those out there. So you'll be able to cut more for longer with these. All right, there you have it. That is the Varix lineup from Tajima. We think these things look awesome. Of course, if you're out there using these tools already, let us know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.